Speaking with authority. What does it mean? You know what you're talking about, and you say it with confidence, which means being comfortable being yourself, but not being arrogant about it. Why is it important? Speaking with authority can help you be seen as a leader, which can help you earn other people's respect, which is really helpful at the workplace, and can even help you advance to higher positions in your company or business. How do I do it? You want to avoid words that make you sound unsure. Words like maybe, I don't know, I think. You get the idea. You also want to lower your pitch, like I'm doing right now, and speak so your voice goes down at the end instead of up, because that way people will know that you are stating something instead of asking a question. You also want to slow your pace and speak clearly.